Hello, Eric Hatcher with Century 21 Cornerstone coming from beautiful Sierra foothills. Hey, I wanted to share with you 10 things to get your house ready for sale. Here we go. The entry of your home is so critical and crucial. It's what they actually see when they come up to the door. Make sure your front porch and your front entry is clean, precise, deck boards are painted or stained, and your front door looks sharp because that's where they'll be standing for a few minutes while their agent opens up the lockbox. Another item on the list to get your house ready for sale are those beautiful photo walls, which are distractive to buyers. You will need to pack those and then just replace it with one simple photo. One of the items that I want you guys to look at is your air filter. You can see this one actually is dirty. We seriously have buyers that come through and look at the air filters, or a home inspector will look at the air filters, and if the air filter is dirty, they will request to be serviced before close of escrow. I want you guys to go through your home as if you were the prospective buyer. So often we get so accustomed and used to what we live in that we just don't look really close at things that might be a little bit off. Get it? Go through the house and check out your light bulbs and make sure they're all the same color, same wattages, so it all looks consistent. Another item on that list is your closet spaces. Go ahead and declutter and pack things that you may not use during the season, because believe it or not, buyers do open closets. Check out your highest traffic patterns and look at your baseboards and your corners of your wall. Look for any chips or anything that needs to be painted. Paint or reinstall new baseboards so they look fresh and clean. Another item on the list to get your house ready for sale is that during inspections, your pest inspector and your home inspector will need to see the scariest place in the house, and that sometimes is under the sink. Go ahead and paint, clean, and remove stuff. So critical to have that all cleaned out and removed before your pest and home inspection comes in. Your home and pest inspector will need to see the interior of your garage and all the sidewalls of your garage. So it's critical to remove these items away from the side of your wall so they will be able to inspect around the garage walls. Put together a binder that has all the manuals of things that you have done to the property, with appliance manuals to items of instant water heater. But most important here is if you have any type of lease on your property, especially solar leases, please get that solar lease, put it together and get it ready and hand it to your agent so they can give it to the title company. So if there is a transfer of that solar lease, it can be done quickly with no delays. Another item on that list to get your house ready for sale is to have some pre-inspections. If you have a home that has a lot of wood or a lot of decks, have a pest inspector come in and look for dry rot, fungus, and termites. That way you can negotiate that up front when the offer comes in, or if you don't, then you will be getting a request of a repair, requesting those items to be fixed or receive a credit for them.